My name is Maria Corso and I'm presenting holiday on Santander. First day. I gone on holiday with my family on December 26th for Santander. We are leaving by bus 8 p.m. from Duitama Terminal Bucaramanga. We are arriving around 4 p.m. at Huron to my in-laws house, where we are staying. Then at 7 p.m. we are having delicious tamal. Second day, we are waking up very early at 5 a.m. because we are going for a walk to our train station. We are arriving on 6 a.m. We are helping to milk the cow and feed the chicken. At 10 a.m. we are going to go swimming in the river with my coins. Then we are having lunch and delicious sancocho with poultry chickens. And the afternoon we are picking mangoes, lemons, oranges. Second day, we are be all day touring the city in the morning from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. We're visiting the most emblematic parks. Then we are having lunch and delicious typical dips. Or later we are home. We are going to Florida Blanca to eat famous in delicious oblea. Then at 5 p.m. we are going to add the cable car to going to the hill of the sign. From there we are seeing the Golden City is very nice panorama. For day, we are leaving at 6 a.m. We are going to enjoy magical aventura to Adrian Soga most of that. We are arriving at Place Sky Topocoro. We are making a debut tour through the dam. Then at 12 p.m. we are having lunch at the restaurant. Then at the hacienda we are riding in fishing in the finally at 5 p.m. we are returning to see the sunset. Fifth day. On December 21, on this day we are preparing to receive New Year. In the morning we are resting at the house. At 2 p.m. we are going to shopping and the marketing. Then we are cooking the New Year dinner. Then at 7 p.m. we are going to school. Then we are meeting with the Golden family. At 12 p.m. we are drinking in the jogging, wishing each other much happy for New Year. Thank you.